For a sleek, portable travel companion, look no further than Benro's MeFOTO RoadTrip Pro tripod. Jam-packed with incredible features and versatility, this one-of-a-kind tripod has everything you need when you're on the move. This tripod supports everything from point-and-shoot up to a DSLR with zoom lens. Amazingly versatile, these tripods reverse fold and are intuitively designed with the smallest footprint possible when folded up, making them small enough to carry just about anywhere. With the innovative phone holder QR plate, you can easily switch from camera to phone in a snap without changing heads or plates, capture your photography and social content in the same setup. So whether your forte is panoramas, time-lapses, still images, or selfies, the RoadTrip Pro will be your travel companion every step of the way. Available in black, silver, or Pacific blue finishes, in aluminum or carbon fiber. When lightening your load, compact is key. So at only 15.16 inches when reverse folded, it's ideal when on the go. Let's go higher. The 5-leg sections extend over 5 feet, giving you the height you need and ultimate versatility with your shots. The durable metal twist locks combined with anti-rotation legs allow for a fast and fumble-free setup plus weather and dust resistance. Its padded rubber grip provides comfortable handling and also comes in handy during extreme temperatures. Want more flexibility? These tripod legs can be independently locked into place at 3 different angles, shoot in cramped quarters on uneven terrain with no problem. Using the graduated panning scale, you can easily create beautiful, accurate panoramas. The adjustable 2-section center column gives you even more height to your shot. You can also attach the included weight hook for additional stability outdoors. Who says you can't teach a tripod new tricks? By removing the center column and the padded leg, you can convert this tripod to a monopod for added versatility. The detachable leg tube and phone holder QR plate can be combined to create a quick selfie stick. Or throw the included ball head in the mix for more flexibility with your selfies. Within the tripod's removable feet are a 3/8 to 1/4-20 adapter stud and an accompanying straight screwdriver to use with the stud, or to attach the included phone clip camera plate to the tripod leg to create a selfie stick. A 4mm Allen key used to adjust the tension of the leg tube pivot. And located within the center column is an internal small leg set, which can be used in conjunction with the center column, leg, and head to create multiple configurations. By attaching the head directly to the small leg set, you can use it as a tabletop tripod. Or use it for live streaming, virtual meetings, or video chatting. Whatever your outlet may be, this tripod has the right setup. The included Q-Series triple-action ball head contains separate adjustments for pan lock and ball lock, as well as an additional pan lock on the QR plate for even more accurate panoramic shooting, as well as an attached bubble level to prevent uneven shots. You can also switch from landscape to portrait shooting orientations easily. The quick-release plate features a 3-way screw with universal 1/4-20 thread that mounts to almost any camera. Simply mount the plate 90 degrees and your phone mount is ready to go. The spring-loaded clip secures your mobile device in place. The phone clip fits most smartphones, large or small. It even has a cold shoe for mobile-friendly devices. Here's a quick tip. Be sure to back out the set screw before you clip in your phone to prevent scratching. For added security, 2 stop screws on the bottom of the QR plate will keep the plate from accidentally sliding off the clamp. The included drawstring carry case is perfect for storage and transport. Let's go hit the road and travel light with Benro's MeFOTO RoadTrip Pro tripod.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. For more of the latest and greatest on camera support gear, subscribe to our Benro YouTube channel.